Replacing the battery is easier than it looks as long as you know which connections to loosen, so I'll cover a full battery replacement as well as info on the battery size and what to do after installation. This EcoSport is slightly different to the previous model, so if your setup doesn't look like this, then go and watch this video, the link will be somewhere on the screen. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. If the terminal struggles to come off, just use a flat screwdriver to open the clamp a bit. On the positive side, loosen the clamp nut as seen here. This will allow the whole junction box to come off with the terminal, but you'll notice it's difficult to move it out of the way, so we'll come back to that just now. Part of the cable is held in place with a bracket, so loosen these 3 nuts to remove the bracket first. Then loosen this cable on the junction box. This allows the junction box to separate completely to get the battery out. It's good practice to clean the terminals with some fine sandpaper or this handy little tool that can clean the terminals and the battery posts. I'll leave a link in the description for it. I'll get to the battery size in a minute, but in the meantime start with the positive connections first and end off with the negative. What's important here is to seat the terminal as low as possible on the battery post to prevent a loose connection. If the terminal can't move around by hand, that's tight enough. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. The battery used here should be in the 60 to 70 amp hour range with these dimensions, but you'll definitely want to opt for an enhanced flooded battery, especially if the vehicle is fitted with a stop-start system. You'll also notice a sensor on the negative terminal used by the battery monitoring system or BMS. The manufacturers recommend a BMS reset to clear historical data and optimize the charge behavior on the new battery. A scan tool can be used, or lastly doing it manually as shown in this video link on the screen. On startup you shouldn't see any errors and a radio code isn't required. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.